Alright guys, we haven't been here in a while. It's been a while since we've been here, but we're gonna go fishing here and see what we can catch. Hopefully we can catch some brim. I'm running a 1/6 jig head, slim swim, 2.5 inch plastic. We'll see how we go. Hopefully we can get one, because I'm after a PB brim, because I can't seem to get a PB. That's gonzo. Oh, I lost my leader. Okay. Alright guys, just retied a new FG knot because we lost the other one to a snag. New FG, new leader. Oh, I see a flash there. There's a couple big brim. Oh, how am I going to get a good cast? I can see him just there. Let's see if I can. That's alright. It's not the best, but they might see it. They're just chilling over there. See if I can get another good cast. That's better. See if they go for that. Yep, on. Got one. Yes! We got one of the brim. I knew they would have to come for it. There we go. Hopefully he's a good one. Oh, that's a good brim. Oh, he's a giant. No, no, no. Come out of there. Oh, this might be a PB. I hope so, because he is a giant brim. He's only just pinned. Oh, yes! Yes! Oh, yes! Oh my God. That is a chunk. That's a PB for sure. Oh my God, guys, this is a tank, bro. Yes, look at the size of this brim on the pontoon. Look at the size of it.
There you go.
Oh, yeah, I'm gonna measure it. Hopefully it's a PV. That is a massive brim. I hope it's a PV.
Give me a look.
Look at how big it is.
Oh, he's a fat one, though.
Yeah. Measure this guy.
I reckon 30, 34.
You reckon?
Yeah. But it's a big, you know what I mean?
Yeah. 31, 32, 33, 30, 35. I beat it. Yes, finally. Oh my God. Here he is, guys. Nice, big, healthy, fat brim on the slim swim. That is a thick, nice brim. 35 centimeters. I'm so stoked with that. I finally beat my personal best. I'm so happy. My personal best was 32, but we finally got one. I'm happy with that. You! Go one more time, one more last look at him in different lighting. Nice fat brim, very good. I'm happy with that, so stoked. All right, here you go, mate. You deserve it, Brimby. You're a good fat brim. You're going the wrong way, mate. This way, this way, this way. There you go. Up he goes. He's a bit dazed, but he should be good. Here we go. Oh yes, that was a good brim. There we go, on. I think it's a flatty. I think we got a flathead, guys. Yep. It's a nice flathead too. Nice dusky. We got brim following him as well. Oh, not snipped. Damn. Just got snipped. Snipped by a flathead. Yeah, it was a big one too. Oh, another flathead took it. Alright. See if I can land this one. Oh no, don't. Try and get down here. Another flathead. This one's a bit smaller. Where's he pinned? Oh, not too bad actually. I probably lift him in from here. 3, 2, 1. Yep, got him. There we go, guys. Nice little flathead. And that little lure there. Very nice. Unhook you and get you back. I'm trying to help you, mate. There he is one more time. Go, mate. He's off. Is there fray in that leader? I don't know. No, we're good. Okay. No fray.